Scorpio, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. And let's see what's coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood niyo yung reading na to dahil ito isang timeless reading. So let's see. So anytime na mapanood niyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And also, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Scorpio, what's up? No place like home. So, maaring kayo ay meron kayong nami-miss na lugar or bahay, tinitirahan nyo before, na gusto nyong balikan. Or maaring yung iba sa inyo uuwi sa inyong hometown or babalik na kayo kung kayo ay nag-abroad or wala sa bahay nyo for quite a while in the next 7 days. You also have a major decision na kailangan gawin. Maaring ito ay meron kang path na gustong tahakin na pinag-iisipan mo. Matagal mo na itong pinag-iisipan. Hindi mo lang talaga siya magawa. Pwede kasi may mga pumipigil sa'yo, can be a situation, or hindi ka pa sigurado. You have exchanging gifts. So, maaring meron ka marireceive na regalo. This is a surprise gift. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring pet, no? May magre-regalo sa inyo ng alagang aso, pusa, or any pet. You also have co-create. So, this is collaboration, working with other people. Maaring may mentorship dito. Hingi ka ng advice, guidance sa isang tao na alam mong matutulungan ka, na merong skills, talino, talento. Some of you naman, maaring kayo yung mag-share ng knowledge and skill set nyo sa iba. Collaboration yan eh. Maaring meron ding partnership sa work, sa business, sa career. Let's see what else in the next 7 days for Scorpio. You have the, diba? 3 of Pentacles. This is collaboration, working with others. Pwedeng meron ding contract signing na magaganap in the next 7 days. Sa trabaho, sa workplace, sa business. Meron kang project na gagawin na mangangailangan rin ng tulong ng iba. So, sabi nga, 2 heads are better than 1. You have the devil. So, you may be dealing with a Capricorn, or this can be your boss na binibigyan ka ng trabaho. Binibigyan ka ng responsibilities. You have the Chariot energy here. So, this is Cancerian energy tsaka Capricorn. So, pareho to na cardinal signs. So, mga cardinal signs, they are starters, they are initiators. So, maaring meron kang sisimulan na isang proyekto. This can be a business opportunity na magtutuloy-tuloy for you. You have the Tower. And then the Queen of Pentacles. Financial stability. Maaring inaayos mo ngayon yung finances mo. In the next 7 days, may mga bagay ka na ili-let go. Pwedeng ito yung mga unhealthy habits mo pagdating sa pera or pagdating sa pag-manage ng iyong finances. You're going to let that go and focus on building a strong foundation pagdating sa pera. Pwedeng magbi-business ka or i-invest mo yung iyong pera. Mag-ingat din sa mga sa pagdadrive. Kung ikaw ay madalas mag-drive, mas maging maingat, no? Let's see what else. You have the Queen of Cups. So, this is your talents, your skill set. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kang i-explore na abilities, skill set, i-improve mo. You're going to be more creative in the next 7 days. Maaring ito yung pinagdedesisyonan mo kung Kung pagtutuunan mo na ba ng pansin yung iyong talento, yung skill set mo. You are going to be more practical in your decision making, and at the same time, yung iyong instinct, intuition mo, pakikinggan mo rin yan. Kasi, i-guide ka eh. You are being guided towards a better situation for yourself. Let's see what else. Synchronize o alliance, partnership. So, Scorpio, major partnership for you. This can be business partnership. Mas malaki yung, possibility na business partnership to or project. Yung iba naman, pwedeng romantic relationship ito. Some of you, maaring meron kayong makaaway or makasamaan ng loob. Someone na parang minamaliit ka sa ginagawa mo or laging naghahanap ng mali sa'yo. I think kailangan iwasan mo na lang tong taong to para makaiwas ka sa gulo. Take a break. Remove that person sa buhay mo if you feel na masyado na siyang nakaka-apekto sa'yo in a negative way. Some of you, maaring mas magbibigay ng oras at panahon sa katahimikan ng isip ninyo. You will do meditation, yoga, relaxation, self-reflection. Yes, you're going within. You are examining yourself. Examining your subconscious. Meron kang mga deep thoughts eh. Kumbaga, nire-reassess mo yung situation mo. Ano ba yung kalagayan mo ngayon? Are you happy? Kumbaga, masaya ka ba sa sitwasyon mo ngayon? Are there things na gusto mong i-improve pa sa sarili mo? O magsistay ka ba sa isang sitwasyon na meron ka? Some of you, ang isa sa bibigyan nyo rin ng attention at goal in the next 7 days ay yung disiplina nyo sa sarili nyo. Na kapag meron kayong sinet na goal, ay gagawin nyo yung lahat yung best para ma-align nyo yung energy nyo doon sa goal na yon. Kasi sabi nga, if you're just setting your goals pero wala ka namang ginagawang action, nagwi-wish ka lang, 'di ba? And hindi lahat ng wishes kasi natutupad kung hindi ka magte-take ng action. So, you are also going to learn a skill. So, maaring meron kang i-improve na abilities mo. You will improve your abilities. Let's see what else, Scorpio. Listen. So, meron kang kakausapin. Maaring itong person na to ay hihingi ng advice sa'yo. O, diba? Like what I mentioned kanina, meron ditong collaboration, working with others. Kayo ay lalabas, magkakape. Or, merong isang kaibigan or malapit na tao sa buhay mo na mag-open up sa'yo. Na, minsan kasi hindi naman natin kailangan talaga magbigay ng advice. Kailangan lang natin makinig, diba? Kasi ganun eh. Yung iba, hindi naman talaga sila humihingi ng advice. Parang gusto lang nila na merong taong ready na makinig sa kanila. So, you have to be there. People start to heal the moment they feel heard. So, yung iba sa inyo, maari namang mag-open up kayo sa isang tao na malapit sa inyo about yung iniisip nyo or yung desisyon na gagawin nyo. Kung tama ba yung desisyon nyo. Okay. Kasi meron kang risk na iti-take. Take a chance. Every risk is a success when you're committed to learning and growth. Ayun. So, as long as committed ka na mag-aral, mag-improve ng sarili mo, so, may success dyan. Sa success. Sumakses. Kasi yung mga risk takers, sila talaga yung nagiging malaki ang chance na maging successful. Uy, change course. May pagbabago ng direction na iyong tatahakin. Actually, available at your disposal to eh. A closed door is an invitation from life to move in an even better direction. It's time to change course. So, yung iba sa inyo na may pinagdidesisyonan kung mag-iiba or mag-iiba ka ng course or mag-iiba ka ng path na tatahakin. So, this is your sign. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.